and she is My name is Amrita and she is Satyadivya. We are from Fort City School, Vijayanagaram. Our science teacher name is Subramaniam sir, and our project name is Geostationary Satellite used for disaster management. Satellites are of two types: natural satellite and artificial satellite. Natural satellite of the Earth is Moon. Artificial satellites are again two types. Those are GPS and geostationary satellite. GPS means Global Communication System. Geostationary means Communication Satellite. This is a geostationary satellite. It rotates around the Earth with the same speed how the Earth rotates. The distance between the Earth and the geostationary orbit is 36,000 kilometers. The geostationary satellite revolves around the Earth and takes a photograph of different disasters. Geostationary satellite revolves around the Earth and it takes pictures of different disasters, and it is useful for global communication. So now we can see the transmission of signals here. First, the satellite transmits the raw data to the ground station. From the ground station it gets back the processed data. That processed data is sent to the Earth station, which means the broadcasting center, and from the broadcasting center we get it to the TV set. So like this the transmission of the signal takes place. You have the GSLV and PSLV, which are the two launch vehicles of ISRO. GSLV means Geosynchronous Satellite Launching Vehicle, and PSLV means Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle. GSLV is a height of 49 meters. PSLV is a height of 44.4 meters tall. Most of the PSLVs were successful till October 2011. Most of the GSLVs were unsuccessful because of their heavy weight and payload. Now you can see that we cannot stop the disasters like tsunami and tropical storm. So we should have to warn the people before the disaster occurs. The disaster cycle will help us in doing such things: mitigation, warning, event, response, recovery and assessment. These are the steps of disaster cycle. Mitigation means to make the impact of the disaster less on the people who are staying in the particular place. Warning means to cause some alertness in the people. And event means the disaster which is going to take place in a particular place. And the response means how many people respond to that and how many people wanted to save their lives. Recovery and assessment means we should go to a new place and construct a new house, and we should be relieved from all the disasters, and we should be prepared for the next disaster which is going to come. Here you can see the disaster management using satellite communication. Some of the resultants affecting including forest cover, advancing desert and salinization. While dealing with the disasters, one of the key elements one talks about is the mitigation strategy. This means taking action to reduce the impact of the disasters.
Light sound.
This is geostationary satellite. This is Earth. It revolves around the Earth with the same period how the Earth revolves. So it is called stationary to the Earth and geostationary. You can see a photo gallery there. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian man to go into the space.
Children in this room.
Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into space. Satellite is how the satellite is there inside. Radhakrishnan, he is the chairman of ISRO. Geostationary orbit. An orbit is an imaginary line on which a satellite rotates. NASA satellite. NASA is a space organization. It sends so many satellites. Here you can see some of the satellites of NASA. Data processing of the satellite. How the data is processed by a satellite. Satellite traffic. Because of so many satellites around the Earth, there is traffic around the Earth. Natural and artificial satellite. Natural satellite of the Earth is Moon. Artificial satellite is also called man-made satellites. These are the orbits around the Earth. Different satellites revolve around the Earth in different orbits. Here is an aerial view which is taken by a satellite. Tropical storm, tsunami, earthquake are some of the disasters. Here you can see red marked areas These indicate there are more flood in these regions. This is the satellite image. This is GSLV, which means Geosynchronous Satellite Launching Vehicle. We can conclude that tapping the knowledge in our country with this system enables the people to have more welfare and to know so many things about the satellite.
Children, in this room, I am going to ask some questions to this girl. Concentrate on the question and answers, okay? And you said the orbit is what? Understand these questions and learn something from this.
Orbit is an imaginary line which is the path of a satellite.
What is your answer about it?
An orbit is an imaginary line on which a satellite revolves.
Satya Divya, you said orbit is an imaginary line. But how do we place our satellite in an imaginary line? When there is no orbit, how do we place that satellite into the imaginary line?
So we can see here, sir, the gravitational force is cancelled here at 36,000 kilometers. So
I understand that. But how do you define? Because you said here there are n number of satellites rotating in n number of orbits. But how do we decide a satellite to be put in a particular predefined orbit?
The principle is that every object has a gravitation which means attraction property.
What is the parameter helps you to place the satellite? Because you are talking so much about satellite and its applications. I am happy about all that. But why you have missed the core important point of placing an orbit? And you need to understand the parameter which governs to keep a particular required orbit. What is the parameter? Don't bother, don't worry at this point of time. But I request you to know the basics like that. You must have your curiosity, not simply something like as if. You need to have your own questions. This is supposed to be your own question. You understand, Satyavya? Okay. So any other questions you have? Okay.
So sir, we can say that the PSLV and GSLV are useful